Are you guys ready for some yummy chicken recipes? Well, let's get into it. Start with soy sauce, tomato ketchup, ginger paste. Add the garlic paste and then black pepper, salt and instant noodles masala. Mix everything up gently. Put the chicken legs and chicken thigh on it. This recipe is pretty easy to recreate. In a pan, add corn flour, salt, and garlic powder. Spice things up with chili powder, turmeric powder, and you're done. We are slowly coming near the end. Just a few steps left. Dip the chicken in the flour mixture. And then take it to the frying pan. Wait until the chicken turns golden and voila! It looks so nice and crispy. Enjoy! What do you guys think? Do you like this recipe? Well, we are not over yet. We still have one more recipe to show you guys. Start by cutting the chicken and put it in a glass container. Add your favorite spices. Yummy! And once you're done, marinate everything together with the chicken. Yes, add a beaten egg in the end. And don't forget the buttermilk. Can't wait for the finished result. In the pan, add the flour and pepper powder, salt, garlic powder, and paprika powder. Oregano in the end and mix everything up. Repeat the same procedure as we did in the first video. This is the last step, you guys. Now, I am definitely craving the crispy chicken. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial useful.